Hey folks, I just want to share with you a company that is very powerful, and during my 2 years of working on the internet, they're the only one that I've found that will honestly teach you how to make a full-time living. They are completely free to join, and they're the only company I know of that will literally take you by the hand and show you step by step exactly what you need to do. Just to give you a little bit of information about them, they have over 800,000 people within this community, and it's been growing very fast. They started in 2005, and especially in just the last few years, they've grown. They've almost doubled in size. They have 24-hour support, and everybody is incredibly helpful. I also want to let you know about the kind of money you can make here. There are countless members, actually, who are earning well over $5,000 per month, which I consider to be a very good income. Most people that I know would consider that to be a full-time income. I want to also stress something here that's really important, and that is that regardless of what your background is or what you are passionate about, I guarantee you they absolutely will, and they can and they will help you. Now, I don't want you to take my word for it. You know, there's a million people out there making videos telling you that you can make money online, so you can see right here, these are the kinds of earnings that are actually being made right now within this company. This is one member who actually just had his first $9,000 month in December of 2016. Here's another member who's consistently bringing in between $5,000 and $7,000 monthly. As for me personally, here are a few screenshots of just individual days where I made $130 on each day. When these emails come in, it's super awesome, and on top of it, it's really not hard to do when you follow what these people will teach you. And actually, I've learned a lot about making money on the internet over the last couple of years that you can see here. This is a separate stream of income of mine. These are weekly payments, and a huge chunk of the income that you see here is just a direct result of what I've learned from this company. And this payment right here is a friend of mine that I work with. This is 1 week. It was over $1,000. And again, this money couldn't have been possible without having the tools and the training that we received from this company. Now, I also want to make another point here. This is not a get-rich-quick company. I can't stress that enough. Just in case anybody out there is looking for super fast money or anything like that, this is a company that just truly teaches you exactly what you need to do and what you need to know to make a living online. They're a no BS company. They don't promote that kind of stuff. They don't want to be associated with any of that kind of overnight, riches kind of crap. Now, from what I've seen personally, from like all the members that I see within the community, when a person follows the training step by step, realistically, you can be making a very good income within 6 months' time. I've seen it happen in way less time as well. It really just depends on how much effort, how much time you can dedicate to it. Now, I want to give you a really quick background on myself here. I struggled personally for at least 1.5 years just trying to figure out how to make money on the internet. After I left my job as a teacher, I was trying to just figure out what I was even going to do, and then I kind of stumbled upon this whole online work thing. But I did finally become successful, and at this point, I've made money on every platform you can think of, from Facebook to Craigslist to Instagram, Backpage, paid advertising like Bing and Google AdWords, YouTube, and a lot of other ways as well. So I'm very familiar with the whole, get rich quick mentality and biz op thing, and this is why I'm making this video, because I'm trying to steer people very, very, very far away from that kind of thing, because that's the kind of thing that makes people fail. If you can take anything away from watching this video, it's just that you don't need fancy gadgets and softwares, and you should not be believing any kind of promises from people who tell you that you can make $1,000 overnight. I mean, it is possible to make that kind of money overnight, but not instantly without really knowing what you're doing. It just doesn't happen. Now, it is, however, very realistic for you to be making a living on the internet. And I can promise you that this is the only company you need to make it into a reality. Like I said before, they're completely free to join. You don't even need a credit card. So just click the link below this video and create a free account, which you can do right here. Enter your name, your email, and create a password, and you're good to go. You'll receive follow-up instructions on how to get started and how to set up your account right afterwards. If you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them for you.